Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Dear students, today I will discuss with you another problem related to chapter depreciation method, straight line method. It's your book, question number 5. Now discuss on this question, dear students. On 1st January 2016, if limited purchase a machine for 2,40,000 spent 10,000 on erection. On 1st July 2016, another machine costing rupees 1 lakh was purchased. On 1st July 2018, the machinery purchased on 1st January 2016 was sold for 1,40,000 and on the same date, a new machine was purchased at a cost of rupees 2 lakh. So the machine account for the first 3 calendar year after charging depreciation by straight line method. Dear students, calendar year. In calendar end of the year at 31st December, then you will remember that your year will end at on 31st December. On 1st January 2006, a machine for 240 purchased for 240 and spent on 10,000 on its erection. Expense on purchase of assets, counter equation of assets, registration, all including the cost of assets. Now your assets cost become 2,50,000. 1st January 2016 to bank account 240 plus 10,000. Dear student, 2,50,000. Your year became 1st January 2016 to 31st December 2016. First of all, you will see in the question if there any another purchase or sold in in the question. Yes. Dear students, 1st July 2006, there is another purchase of machine costing 1 lakh. Another machine was purchased 1st July. Then your entry will become to bank account. Machinery account debit to bank account. It's your number 2 machine. Now it's become your number 1 machine. 1 lakh. If there is any another purchase or sale, then see in the question there is no another purchase and sale in the question. Now I will do at the end of year 31st December 2016 and end of year we will chart depreciation. Your entry will be by depreciation account. Depreciation account debit to machine account, machine credit on credit side. First machine is used for the complete year and 5% rate of depreciation. Then your depreciation will become 12,500. 5% of 2,50,000, 12,500. Complete year it is used. And second machine depreciation complete year 5,000. Pure saal ka beta 5,000. And it is used for 6 months. And 6 month depreciation is 2,500. Total 15,000. Calculate the balance by balance CD. First machine 250 minus 12,500, 2,37,500. Second 1 lakh minus 2,500, 97,500. 0, 0, 0, 15, 13, 3. 3,50,000. And dear students, it's also 3,50,000. Last year closing balance will create opening for the next year. 1st Jan 2017 to balance bidding. First machine balance 2,37,500. Second machine balance 12,500. Total 2,50,000. Your year became from 1st January 2017 to 31st March 2017. If there is any another purchase or sale during this year, and after reading question I find out there is no purchase and sale during this period, then I will do at the end of year 31st December 2017, and at the end of year I will charge depreciation by depreciation account. First machine complete year depreciation 12,500 because it is used for a complete year, and second machine also is for a complete year and its complete year depreciation 5,000. Calculate balance total हो गया, total 17,500. Calculate closing balance by balance sheet. First machine opening balance 2,37,500, depreciation 12,500, remaining 2,25,000. Second machine opening balance 97,500, depreciation 5,000, remaining 92,500. 3,17,500 total. 3,35,000. 3,35,000. Now it's become opening for the next year. 1st Jan 2018 to balance BD. To balance BD. First year 2,25,000. Second year 92,500. 3,17,500. Your accounting year will become from 1st January 2018 to 31st December 2018. Is there any purchase and sale during this period? Yes. On 1st July, the machine on 1st July 2018, the machine purchasing 1st January 2016. This machine will sold for rupees 1,43,000. Sold. Sale and asset sold. Your entry will pass bank account debit to machine. Machine will credit 1st January 2018 by bank account 1,43,000. If asset sold, then we will charge depreciation by depreciation account. Complete year depreciation 12,500, and it is used for 6 months. January, February, March, April, May, June, 6 months. 6 month depreciation 6 by 12, 6,250. Then calculate profit or loss. 2,25,000 from 2 lakh opening balance 2,25,000. These two things are subtract. 1,49,250. 05757. 75,750. It's your loss. By statement of profit and loss 75,750. Is there any another purchase and sale? Yes. On the same date, another machine was purchased for 2 lakh. Machine purchase, then your entry will pass machine account debit to bank 1st July 2018 to bank account. It's your third machine 2 lakh. Is there any other machine purchase or sale? Then you find out answer. No, there is no another machine purchase and sale. Now I will do at the end of year. At the end of year, dear students, we will charge depreciation. We will charge depreciation 31st December 2018 by depreciation account. If first machine was sold, then your second machine used for complete year and complete year depreciation 5,000. Third machine used for 6 months. Complete year depreciation 10,000, 6 month depreciation 5,000. 10,000. Calculate balance by balance CD. Second machine opening balance 92,500, depreciation 5,000, 87,500. Third machine opening balance 2 lakh, depreciation 5,000, 1,95,000. 005,282. Total, here total 5,70,500. This side total 5,17,500. 3 year complete, then it's become for open for the next year. 1st January 2019 to balance bidding 2,82,500. 2,82,500. Dear students, I hope you understand it. If you understand it, then like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.